Welcome to the Universal School of Excellence. This is a school for people who want enlightenment using effective techniques. I am Monique Macduff. In this video, I show games and techniques to raise a person's level of thought in certain situations. Situation 1. All superstitions are replaced with techniques and games. For example, all numbers have good energy and are important. In 1993, I made a game with numbers. I made a list of words that are very important to me, and I gave them a number from 0 to 99. Some of these words are inspiration, trust, openness, music, beauty, clarity, information, self-confidence, and experience, etc. Once I had a word for these 100 numbers, I wrote them on cards and I learned them by heart as a memory exercise. I use them as a word association game whenever I want to remember an address or a telephone number. Situation 2. All stars and constellations have good energy. All books and texts that use negative words or negative ideas when mentioning them lack respect and need to be rewritten. Situation 3. All songs with negative words or ideas need to be rewritten. Repeating songs with negative words produce depression hormones. Situation 4. All books with negative words or ideas need to be rewritten. Situation 5. Here's an effective technique to use before learning a new language. In my timeline of eternity, I lived in the country where this language is spoken. It is already recorded in the subconscious mind. All I need to do is practice the following exercise. For a few minutes, I make believe that I can speak in all the languages in the world. Out loud, I make all kinds of sounds to imitate the German, Italian, Spanish, Russian, and Chinese languages. When I stop, the brain makes words with the sounds that it heard, and it is convinced that I can speak the language that I want to learn. It is then easy and fun to learn any language. It is also a good opportunity to get a good laugh. Situation 6. Before going to sleep, to make sure my level of concentration and relaxation is high, I use the technique of oneness with my breath. I say, as I inhale and exhale, one breath at a time, I let it happen by itself. If it is deep, I let it be deep. If it is slow, I let it be slow. If it is light, I let it be light. I am now totally and completely relaxed, and every function of my body is in tune with my breath. This is the time when I ask my superconscious mind whatever I want and need. It is all-powerful and has complete awareness. It directs its energy to me to better my present lifetime. This is my last video. I work on my mind-brain conditioning every day with my choice of words and thoughts. Every word is an action that produces a reaction, a result, and a consequence. Thank you for being there. Let's enjoy every second. Monique Macduff.